Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. I am fine.
Are you new here?
Yes, started this week.
Is this your desk?
Yes, right here.
Do you like the office?
Yes, very modern office.
Is your team friendly?
Yes, very friendly team.
Do you have a meeting today?
Yes, at 10 o'clock.
Where is the meeting room?
Down the hall, left.
Is the meeting important?
Yes, quite important.
Can you send me files?
Yes, I will send.
Is the file ready?
Yes, almost ready now.
Do you use a laptop?
Yes, every single day.
Is your laptop fast?
Yes, very fast laptop.
Can I borrow your laptop?
Yes, of course.
Do you have a printer?
Yes, near the window.
Is the printer working?
Yes, working perfectly today.
Can I print this document?
Yes, go ahead, please.
Do you have a folder?
Yes, right here.
Can I see those documents?
Yes, here you go.
Are the documents complete?
Yes, fully complete now.
Do you need my signature?
Yes, right here, please.
Is the deadline today?
No, tomorrow afternoon.
Are you stressed about it?
A little, but managing well.
Do you have a project?
Yes, a big project.
Is the project finished?
Almost finished. Nearly done.
Do you work with clients?
Yes, every single day.
Is the client happy?
Yes, very happy client.
Do you have a boss?
Yes, very supportive boss.
Is your boss strict?
Sometimes, but always fair.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I love it.
Is the work interesting?
Yes, very interesting work.
Do you have coworkers nearby?
Yes, many good coworkers.
Are they helpful?
Yes, always very helpful.
Do you take breaks?
Yes, every 2 hours.
Is the coffee good here?
Yes, very good coffee.
Where is the break room?
Just around the corner.
Do you eat lunch there?
Yes, every single day.
Is lunch break long enough?
Yes, 1 full hour.
Do you have a whiteboard?
Yes, right behind me.
Is it useful for meetings?
Yes, very useful tool.
Do you use email often?
Yes, all day long.
Is your inbox full?
Yes, quite full today.
Can you reply to this?
Yes, right away.
Do you schedule appointments?
Yes, every single week.
Is your calendar busy?
Yes, very busy week.
Do you have a phone here?
Yes, on my desk.
Is it for work calls?
Yes, mainly work calls.
Do you call clients often?
Yes, almost every day.
Is the internet fast here?
Yes, very fast connection.
Do you use video calls?
Yes, almost every day.
Is the video quality good?
Yes, very clear quality.
Do you have weekends free?
Yes, weekends are free.
Is work-life balance good?
Yes, pretty good balance.
Do you enjoy teamwork?
Yes, very much enjoy.
Is your team productive?
Yes, very productive team.
Do you set goals daily?
Yes, every single morning.
Are your goals realistic?
Yes, quite realistic goals.
Do you track your progress?
Yes, using a spreadsheet.
Is the spreadsheet helpful?
Yes, very helpful tool.
Do you present to managers?
Yes, sometimes I do.
Is presenting difficult for you?
A little, but improving.
Is your office quiet?
Mostly quiet, sometimes busy.